Look at my baby, always happy. I'll never change, no way, no way. You are the same from the day that I knew that I could love you. When I saw your face, my life was changed. You rule the world, diamonds just can't capture you, girl. No way, no way. You are the same from the day that I knew that I could love you. I am your slave, I won't ever run away. There's a girl out a magazine, everybody I know, they crying, crying, crying queen. Everywhere she goes out, people look and bow down.
Hey y'all, back again, and today's video is one that I'm really excited about. This is my very first time doing a braided wig on my channel, and this one is from Rayzee. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. I have the model Dom, and y'all, I'm excited to see what it looks like because I've seen some others in their wigs and they look so realistic and awesome. I am a very indecisive person, and there are moments where I want braids, but I know that if I wear braids, your girl is going to want to take them out really soon because I like to switch up my look. I love variety. So having this type of flexibility is so great for somebody like me who likes to switch up their look a great deal and loves variety. So I can wear braids for a day and take it off and switch to some straight hair, some curly hair. This is going to be a game changer for me. So we're going to try it on, see what it looks like. Let's do this. So this is what the lace construction looks like. It is pretty much a lace front unit. So there's ear to ear parting at the top, maybe about 3 to 4 inches of parting. The knots have been bleached. The unit does not come with combs on the side or anything, but there is an elastic band that has been sewn on, so that's good. So if you're somebody who really doesn't care to actually glue it down or use some form of gel or tape, then this may be the only thing that you need. So this is what the unit looks like from the side. The attention to detail is so great. What you see here, this is actually the baby hair, and I did request that they be sparse baby hair, and I feel like that's going to be a really good feature for me because I don't really care to tweeze and do all that extra. So if you're somebody who's a novice to this whole process, you may want to get the sparse baby hairs as well. My unit is also in length 20. So this is the length, and I'll actually show you guys once I put it on my head as well. So this is what we're working with in the back. Just pretty much cap in the back, and it is a breathable cap that was used, so that's a really good thing. You don't have to worry about being hot or anything. It doesn't feel like these braids are heavy or anything, but we're gonna see once I put it on my head. Okay, so I'm back with my ball cap already done, and we're just gonna put the unit on first to make sure that it fits. I did get it in a size small. Wow. It fits so snug. I love that. I may have to bring my stocking cap back a little bit here, but we're gonna play around with it. So far, so good. This looks so good. I can't even believe it. This is black girl magic right here. I tell you one thing, black women are the most resourceful and creative individuals on the planet. This is nuts. Wow. But you can't even see the lace. Oh, child. Oh, child. Things are gonna get easier. Ooh, look at that. Lace flat, and I did not even have to glue anything down. I'm gonna take the baby hair down, and I need to figure out what I'm supposed to do about my ears. Oh, and I can actually cut the baby hair. That might be what does it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this area right here. See if that helps. Okay, so now that it's fitted much better around my ears, we can begin laying this part down. I think that if I lay anything down, it really just needs to be the area near my ears. I don't think I'm gonna have to lay the whole unit down, but we'll see once I take down all the baby hair. Okay, now I'm gonna lay the unit down on the sides. It's not necessary for me to put the Got2b glue all around the perimeter because it lays super flat. And I'm gonna use the yellow bottle. Y'all don't even understand. I'm so hot right now. This is crazy. Come on. Okay, so we're just gonna use the mousse in order to lay the baby hairs. I'm gonna put an elastic band along the hairline just to set my work. Ladies, I am so impressed with this unit. Come in close. Look at this. What lace? Like, this is not a wig. I literally just went and sat in somebody's chair for like 8 or 9 hours. It's crazy. I can't even believe it. I like it so much. And this literally only took like about maybe 10 minutes to install, which is so, so cool. This is cute, y'all. I just feel like an African queen. I'm gonna try to put it up at the top because on the website, they actually had this part up. Ooh, I think that's even cuter.
Nothing by lago. Far away, but still I've been close. You should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over? Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya? Yeah, can I roll up on ya?
I like this style. I think this one's probably my favorite. I really like it like this.
Pick up when I call you. You said you always.
Okay, now let's see what it looks like if I were to put it all up in the back.
Don't you leave me a call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me a call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me a
Okay, so I legit cannot decide if I like this style more or the last style. This looks really good. I'm really shocked that I was able to pull this unit up. Let me turn around so you all can see what the back looks like. And again, because this hair is in length 20, it's gonna cover your nape. So you don't necessarily have to have lace or anything and for it to actually look seamless in the back, although it would be nice if it does, but I'm not certain. So I'm gonna turn around and y'all gonna see it before me. Now I believe the hair falls over nicely to cover the back area, but let's see what it looks like if I didn't have that covering it. So if the wind blows, I feel the cap, so maybe you can see it if the wind blows. But this covers it, so you should be okay. I still have some flexibility in my styling options, which is great. And all of the styles look wonderful. I feel like this is fly, and all the other styles that I showed you guys look really great. This is such a good option for someone who's suffering from hair loss. Maybe you have cancer or you're suffering from alopecia and you want to wear braids, but you don't have the hair for it. A wig like this is so perfect. Such a good option. So I'm such a fan of braided wigs. This is my first time trying it, like I stated at the beginning of this video, and I'm so happy with it. I just think it looks great. You all let me know in the comment section which style was your favorite. Have you tried a braided wig? Will you try one? I'm definitely on board. This is really cool. Make sure to check the description box for the links to this particular unit and all the details. Leave a comment and some feedback. I hope that you guys have been enjoying all of my great tutorials. I've really been switching it up a lot for you guys in December, and we are going to come hard in 2019. So I look forward to your feedback. Be sure to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, smash it, share it with a friend. I love you guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.